Kamba itirivu nnyo kati omu ku bakyamu abaliwo kati ate mulala waneeno ogamba oti oli kirira gyewaleko muzeeyi oli otya muzeeyi nange sirya tabu muzeeyi alaali weteeseteese okutukangamu awo kyakabi nnyo muganda wange
Yeah. Abanzoleya Rwabyaka, a fresh kid, Banteka, Malimunga Tunuka, fresh kid me a bad Zekabaka, Abanzoleya Rwabyaka, a fresh kid. Malimunga Tunuka, fresh kid me a bad Zekabaka. Sirina Budabwe Yandula, Netirundi Casta
Mumpulira.
Yamujogera kombi bulira bukana soma bawulira yo fresh kid yenzo muto abuse university tubaje tutatu kyonze nja kuba kiwoko kumbuto kagere katona naye kajamanga to fresh kid yenzo omwana atula mu ngoma nene nga sebana fresh kid muto ali kubuli bana asaje sawa muto mukulu sawadi kubambia wandikiwa na yata chino chocho alinokuwa nebazanyo tata mama nebazolea kanakoka kuba a fresh kid
Banteka
mbalimu ngantunuka fresh kid me a bad bazolea nuwa miaka a fresh kid Banteka mbalimu ngantunuka fresh kid me a bad kati dada mudabo bafala bakaba inti wowe nyabo mubagambe tindisebo ebisikadde babisange mukatabo kuuza ebipale mbiyuza
ibipale by'abaana yuza
Banteka
oluliwa usogereko
Ada mwana.
Mweyagala? Tusaddeyo muzeeyi.
Mutaka nteka olulita.
Kukulebera bakulu n'abatoto nkulemeza mukamazira gajira tateza mukobafuna byateresa mu sitoba eva busy kuba city to city eno bitabeno kukuba muziki nafuka lwazi todume bya butiti nasonga lwachiniki yapa yo muziki yede bagobagulina amana chiva wama bagambe komigano competitors asha gade bagobagulina amana chiva na pesa ya sitati murua kubeli ya cheyi ya kaputi bango bate bagala babe ku site aba bangize makengeri tai pande back everybody else Bano basaganza siyo kumukati.
Akubye wanji.
Muzeeyi sabule mbaga.
Kikali kiyitiridde.
Yadde bagobagulina amana chiva. Mikano competitor sirina competition. Yadde bagobagulina amana chiva. Lubaga zukubanga dimoloji mukutonto masai. Abasinga abaliga masogala basaize kuya barap miranga zo musomesa baticha dukamangu betaka mpendele kichia kuba bya fatoto kulemeza mkana zile kachila ototo zamu kubavu na biata sema sitaka silina competition wa machoreko pola
Fresh kidoliotia
Muzeeyi fresh.
Mkulabo otedo mbera gisanzo otya eyo utagenda kusomero.
Emera bweti.
Kati mwatandise obimanyira mumanyira embeera y'ewaka.
Emera y'ewaka yetu agimanyira.
Agimanyira.
Yes.
Mbere fanaga bwetu luli nali ntandise okulanga ofuuwa oluzungu olukambo luli olw'amaanyi. Okyalumanyi? Okakasa? Kyoka tulabule mwano.
Oyinza okutta omuntu
tuganye onzite
tewejjuse
njayane okubivaamu nga sikyasobola
ekyo ekintu sikyagala kale tandike
kitandike
akirabidde ebbanga ddene
akirabye ebbanga ddene ng'abantu bagira how are you fresh kid
I'm fine. How's life?
life is good
Yeah, that's good.
yes
How is Bukende Farm?
look at the farmer is good
Oh, that's good.
Yes.
So, what are you asking? What are you asking?
there are so many questions I would like to ask.
yakompresa kato
And the first question
Is what?
is how have you found this situation of lockdown generally?
The situation of lockdown is good. It's just 50-50. Sometimes bad, sometimes cool, sometimes there.
Yes, I can see. There I can see. Don't you miss school?
Of course, I do.
You do.
But I just have to go with the SOPs, the Minister of Health, what they say, and even the President's announcement.
I can see. Luamanyi nyo nyo nyo. What?
I don't know the language.
You don't know my vernacular. Njogedde Oluganda. I don't know what you're talking about.
omujja mu kalakita
There is no speaking vernacular.
It's not vernacular.
No vernacular.
Vernacular.
Now, briefly tell us, what was your experience the first time you
bakugambye oluzungu tebakuttirayo
No, vernacular. I don't need your vernacular, man.
kompresa
Just speak the language and I know, but if you say
Okay, tell me your experience.
it's so mellow. I don't know that.
You don't know the language. Okay, tell me. Yeah, okay, the experience you got the first time you went to school.
The experience was good because I had so many friends. I got so many friends. All the teachers are my good friends. So there's no problem in school. Yeah, man.
Which new experience did you got? And
Did I get or did you got?
did you go do what? Get good.
Did I get?
Did you get?
Yeah.
Did you get in this new school comparing it to the other one? You
Of course. You know the answer why you're asking me. This school is better. Even the other one was good. I thank God so that I can have these bursaries. My sisters can go to school. And I'm happy so that I'm still alive.
kayongo
They don't know Luganda, they don't know Amatoke, they don't know Enyanya, they don't know Echinyanya. Just tell them, I love you, my people. That's why.
Okay.
Say, man.
Yes.
terekerawo oluzungu kati
Like this Mzee has told me to.
No, let me help you. As Mason, I've been his assistant. I'm telling you to all my
Your assistant?
fans, thanks for supporting me.